Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, we're painting Butterflies in Bloom, a whimsical floral scene filled with layered flowers, flying butterflies, and soft blended colors. It's part of our floral series and a joyful way to practice sponge blending, flower strokes, and expressive butterfly details. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to keep learning with us every week, make sure to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Here's what you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather these items and come back when you're ready. This information can also be found in the description below. Let's get started by creating the background. Squeeze a few drops of cobalt blue, sky blue, titanium white, and sap green directly onto your canvas. With a slightly damp sponge, begin blending the paint in gentle circular motions, moving from top to bottom. Let the top stay light and bluish, with the green concentrated at the bottom, like a soft, grassy area. Blend where the colors meet, but keep the middle blue area visible. This will help your butterflies pop later. Keep your sponge damp the entire time for smooth transitions. Take your time here. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Dab in some dark and light green using your sponge. Concentrate these colors near the corners and allow each color to stand out. This simple step will easily help you create depth in your painting. Once your background is dry, we'll start building our garden. Load a Filbert brush with purple and white, but don't blend the colors together. Dab petals using a one-stroke per petal motion to form round flowers. Try 5 to 7 petals per flower. And repeat the process. Add a few more. Next, switch to Ultramarine and white and repeat the process, this time creating slightly smaller flowers. Add a few more using magenta and white for a vibrant mix. Now with a small round brush, dot the center of each flower using yellow mid. Use thick paint straight from the tube so the centers really stand out. Let's move on to the butterflies. Using a Filbert brush and orange paint, create a few flying butterflies in various positions above the flowers. You can tilt the wings or vary the size to make it feel lively and spontaneous. Next, grab your fine liner brush and outline the butterflies using black paint. Add simple wing patterns, antennae, and a few delicate details. Then, with white paint, add tiny dotted patterns to each wing to give them that signature butterfly texture. Paint another butterfly resting on a flower using burnt umber. Outline it in black and add wing details with white and a touch of blue. Repeat the same for any remaining butterflies. For added contrast, paint a few white butterflies in mid-flight. Outline their wings with black and add one small black dot on each wing as a finishing touch. Let's give this scene more life. Using black and sap green, paint stems under the flowers and sketch in a few branches or blades of grass. Add final touches in the greenery to balance the composition. And just like that, you've created a colorful, uplifting butterfly garden, full of movement and vibrant blooms. If you loved painting this scene, you can continue your journey with us. We offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium courses to support you every step of the way. Get started anytime at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thanks for painting with us today. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay inspired and connected to your creativity. See you next time.